Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best grab bag gifts is probably one of the most exciting ways to discover new and interesting products without breaking the bank. Today, we're diving into a curated selection of grab bag gifts, all priced under $50. Whether you're shopping for a friend, family member, or even yourself, these grab bags offer a fun and affordable way to explore a variety of items, from quirky gadgets to delightful treats. Number 5. Royal Craftwood Bamboo Charcuterie Board Set. This charcuterie board is a must-have for every host. It's perfect for cheese, meat, fruit, and snacks. It's designed to elevate your table setup and makes it the perfect centerpiece for all occasions. Say goodbye to plastic trays. This board offers a clutter-free snacking experience. It features ergonomic handles, slip-resistant tabs, serving compartments, utensils, and a knife set. Made from bamboo, a renewable resource. It offers a low-maintenance surface that's easy to clean. It's a sleek, minimal look that instantly becomes decor. This cheese board makes a great gift for housewarmings, Christmas, and more. Find the perfect reason to gather around the table with friends and family. Get creative with different pairings. Whether hosting a party or enjoying a game night, this cheese tray is perfect. It includes all the essential snack board amenities. It promises a rich, flavorful blend. Royal Craftwood is committed to customer satisfaction. That's why they offer a 1-year warranty, a money-back guarantee, and 24/7 customer support. They stand behind their products. What we like? This charcuterie board is crafted from premium bamboo, making it a stylish centerpiece for any gathering. It comes with all the serving accessories you need, from knives to serving utensils. If you're looking to elevate your next wine night or dinner party, this board is the perfect choice for creating a beautiful and functional spread. What people say. The items were varied and fun. The grab bag had a great selection of items. The products were of good quality. Number 4. TOURIT 30 Cans Cooler Backpack. This cooler backpack features a high-density insulation material and a leak-proof liner. It works together to prevent leaks and keeps food hot or cold for up to 16 hours when used with ice packs. This ensures your items stay fresh. With dimensions of 13.0 by 7.5 by 17 inches, this backpack can hold up to 30 cans. It provides ample space for all your essentials, making it perfect for various activities. It includes a main storage compartment, side mesh pockets, front zipper pockets, a lid pocket, a mesh pocket, and even a beer opener. This allows you to keep everything organized and easily accessible. Made from waterproof and durable fabric, this lightweight backpack is ideal for work, picnics, road trips, and more. It's designed to withstand various conditions while remaining comfortable to carry. This stylish cooler backpack can also be used as a lunch backpack or a daily pack. It's perfect for lunches, picnics, work, or travel, offering great versatility for different needs. What we like? This cooler backpack is designed to keep your food and drinks cold for hours, thanks to its leak-proof and insulated design. It offers a large capacity and multiple pockets for all your essentials. If you're planning a picnic, a day at the beach, or any outdoor adventure, it's the perfect companion to keep everything cool and organized. What people say. Sturdy enough to do a whole month of beach visits and look brand new. Keeps everything cool, can put ice inside and it won't leak out. Easily holds a 12-pack. It has lots of compartments to put stuff in, not bulky and easy to carry. I think it is water resistant as it kept my stuff dry when paddle boarding. Number 3. Flip It 2-pack Premium Bottle Emptying Kit. Are you tired of throwing away money with leftover product in bottles? This kit helps you get every last drop. It's designed to eliminate waste and save you money. This kit includes 2 base caps and 6 adapters, fitting a wide range of bottle sizes. It's easy to use and works with most standard plastic bottles. With this kit, you can access every bit of product you've paid for. No more shaking or pounding. It simplifies the process. Simply replace your bottle's cap with this. Then, stand it upside down and let gravity do the work. Open the valve and squeeze for easy dispensing. This kit fits most standard screw-top plastic bottles worldwide. It's versatile and works with various products and brands. This product has been featured on Shark Tank, QVC, HSN, and Good Morning America. It's a favorite product for a reason. What we like. This clever kit helps you get every last drop from your bottles, eliminating waste and saving you money. It fits most standard bottles, making it incredibly versatile. If you're tired of struggling with those hard-to-empty bottles of shampoo or lotion, this is a must-have gadget for your bathroom. What people say. It works so well that we ended up purchasing two, and we use them all the time. I was amazed how much lotion I had been losing in not using this device. I was able to get about another week and a half more lotion before the bottle was empty. Number 2. Bambüsi Charcuterie Board Gift Set. This Bambüsi Charcuterie Board gift set is perfect for any celebration. It's ideal for housewarmings, weddings, or birthdays. This set offers beauty and practicality. Elevate your hosting experience with this elegant set. It features a hidden drawer stocked with all the essentials. This makes serving effortless and stylish. This set includes everything you need for entertaining. From cheese knives to labeling slates, it has it all. This is perfect for creating memorable gatherings. Crafted from 100% natural bamboo, it's both durable and eco-friendly. This makes it a lasting addition to your kitchen. It stands up to frequent use with style. The functional groove adds both style and practicality. It provides extra space for accompaniments. This makes it perfect for any gathering. What we like. This charcuterie board set includes everything you need to create a stunning spread, with a hidden drawer for storing knives and accessories. It's crafted from durable and sustainable bamboo, ensuring it will last for years. If you're looking for a thoughtful housewarming gift or a stylish addition to your own kitchen, this set is a perfect choice. What people say. The items were varied and fun. The gifts were a hit. The recipients were delighted with their grab bags. Number 1. OTOTO Vino Spooky Bat Wine and Beer Opener. From the design-awarded studio OTOTO, introducing Vino, the bat. This opener keeps your night on track. It's the perfect gift for wine lovers. Looking for fun kitchen gadgets or housewarming gifts? Vino's durable wings and sharp thong open cork swiftly. This novelty item is ideal for new home gift ideas. It opens both beer and wine bottles. Drinking sessions are more fun with this corkscrew. Make beer cocktails or wine mixes. Vino flaps its wings and lands on the bottle cap. It pierces through the foil and cuts with no mess. It's a wine bottle opener that's extra special, made from high-quality silicone and metal. Enjoy your wine with this handy corkscrew. It's BPA-free and doesn't rust. Everyday chores are no longer a bore with adorable gadgets to explore. The team strives to create functional products with a quirky twist. They love sprinkling in a bit of fun and magic, and hope you feel the same way too. What we like. This unique opener combines a corkscrew and bottle opener in a fun bat design. It's a great conversation starter and adds a touch of whimsy to any bar. If you're looking for a fun and functional gift for a wine lover or someone who appreciates quirky gadgets, this opener is sure to be a hit. What people say. Its wings lift as you twist, making cork removal smooth and effortless, while the bat's head doubles as a bottle opener for your favorite brews. The quality is impressive, sturdy, durable, and made to last. It works smoothly and opens bottles with ease, which makes it both practical and reliable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.